Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate the camera location tags in this device. So first of all, before we will enter the camera, I have to mention about two very important features without which the camera location tags won't work actually. So let's unroll the top bar, and the very first option, the very first feature is the internet connection. It can be, of course, mobile data, it can be the Wi-Fi, but it is very important. And the second option is the exact location. So just make sure that those options are turned on, and then we can enter the camera. So let's tap on the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can tap on this settings in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the settings icon, and here we have to scroll down to the general settings section, and on the second position we've got the save location info. So let's turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see here we have to give the permission, allow the camera to access this device's location. So let me pick while using the app, and right now we can go back to the camera and check if it is working. So let's take a photo, let's check the preview, and here we have to enter the details in order to check if we just saved the location. So the details should be here in the three dots icon. Let's tap on the details, and as you can see here we've got the exact location of where this photo has been taken. So greetings from Krakow. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.